Say something inspirational.
But your headphones are in.
Just say something inspirational.
If you have the opportunity, take it. All right?
Alright. Here, take your headphones off. Something inspirational.
No, I want someone up front. All right?
He thinks.
Hey everybody, it's Nathan here, and I'm playing with
I got one. Life is like a river. If you drown, you die.
Okay, that was very inspirational. We're vlogging here with Nathan.
Hey, you should check out my channel. Bob Plays Minecraft.
Look at that. Look at that sign.
Wait, what's my YouTube channel again?
Ferrari Boss something.
Yeah, Ferrari Boss 250. You should check it out. 10 subscribers. Really great videos. Quality graphics.
I don't think you have a video longer than 1 minute.
No, 53 seconds. Yeah, I
it
make
was
short
54.
videos. Short videos are God. So all you starting off YouTubers, don't make some crappy ass long videos and nobody's gonna watch, because when someone sees there's a video for an hour of you dancing the changa, no one wants to watch. But if it's like 3 seconds.
Why are you giving tips if you only have 10 subscribers?
Because I have like 50 views on my video because they're only 3:30.
Oh my god. Oh my god. So
Here's the ocean where sharks might bite that man's leg off.
those are the houses on the prairie.
I'm gonna make a video.
Then America. Vote for Donald Trump. I'm just kidding.
Oh, this guy's coming out. Let's stop. Oh,
No, no, just pretend you're taking a photo.
my
take
ringer
photos
doesn't
of the
work,
ocean all the
guys.
time.
My ringer doesn't work on my phone. I don't know what the hell to do.
Oh,
So
look at that beautiful sight. It's water.
yes, drinkable water. Look at this beautiful sight. Look at that majestic bird over there.
Look at
Majestic bird.
Look at
Look at it.
look at that.
It's so special.
Look at that.
Until someone whips up there and shoots it.
Oh. So this is our video.
Yes.
There's a man watching us.
Yes.
Look at that. I'm taking a photo now.
Can you actually quit the video?
No.
Oh, this is the most randomest video in the world.
Let's go explore over there. There's trees.
Here, let me get my video on.
Damn, Daniel, look at those.
Boardwalk tickets
Look at mine.
on a majestic journey. On a majestic
Look
journey.
at those.
Look at the majestic
Look
journey.
at those Adidas.
I don't know what these are, but that's okay.
Doesn't matter.
These are the majestic journey down the boardwalk. And I don't want to hurt
It's a very long boardwalk. It's longer than Jersey Shore.
guys. See these majestic plants? See, these are majestic plants.
We
here,
are very professional with
yes,
phones as
we're
our
nature
videos.
experts. So this right here, this is a stick, and sticks come in lots of sizes.
Tell me more.
So this is very rare, commonly found in the United Kingdom. So what sticks do is mainly like that. So you throw sticks at me.
Oh, the United Kingdom is no longer in the EU, by the way.
Yes, they're retarded.
Don't say the R word.
But why would you break away from the European Union?
Let's go over there. There's trees.
Oh, it's
We're nature experts. We need to
Go
show
to
them
the
trees. The
the
ocean.
ocean.
Isn't that the Atlantic?
No, this, my friends, is the Southern Ocean, right off the
No,
coast.
these are
of
the
Florida.
Indian Oceans, I'm pretty sure.
Yes,
These are the Indians.
Oh my God, the nature experts.
Yep. The Indian Ocean
Beautiful
in
sight.
Connecticut.
Look at that island. See that island all the way
Look at that.
down there, like where my.
That's gonna
finger
be
is?
my future home.
That's where the pirates.
I'm
are.
gonna live on a boat by myself.
2035,
Do you want to live on my boat with me? We'll have parties.
You should turn around.
Let's
Let's walk to the edge of the boardwalk and finish this dumb video off of a video of a video. No, I'm gonna call it nature walk. I'm
nature
gonna call
walk.
it a nature walk of science. So before we leave, this is the majestic plant.
Wow.
That's the majestic shadow.
Oh, there's people coming.
Oh.
There's people